Hey, this is Carl once again, staying up late at night. Hey, this is more of Carl's favorite things. Yes, it's kind of like Oprah's favorite things, but it's Carl's favorite things. So this is something that's really cool you got to have in your house. It's the TURBRO Greenland. It's a 4,000 BTU portable air conditioner and heater and humidifier and fan. So it's a 4-in-1 AC unit. You have to check this out. I do this, I didn't do a review on this, but it's something I want you to take notice of. And there's a link below and check it out for yourself. This is one awesome product. All right, thank you.